But you know what happens?
Tell me.
When you grow old,
Uh-huh.
they shrink the print
Oh,
in the books.
That's true.
Yeah.
I know, right? Why
Yeah.
they do that, right?
I don't know. I mean, we need to see. Why do they shrink the print deliberately?
That is true.
Yeah. And you know what else they do?
Tell me.
Yeah. They whisper. So you can't hear them either.
That is true.
Yeah. Yeah. I have hearing aids.
Uh-huh.
Do you?
Not yet.
Oh, just you wait. Yeah. Then they adjust the hearing aids, make it too loud, and then every time somebody puts their spoon against the plate, you go like this. It sounds like there's a war happening.
Oh.
True. Did you see me cringing at lunch today? Yeah, people just do normal things, and when your hearing aids aren't adjusted properly, it's horrible.
I know. You should practice fortitude.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I should practice fortitude.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm taking on the suffering of all living beings whose hearing aids are not adjusted properly.
Bzzz. Kidding. I'm kidding.
I had to practice fortitude with this guy.
I know, right? That's what they all say.
Oh, okay.
That's right. Every teacher I've ever had says something similar.
Yeah, you have to.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. Yes, I hung out with Roshi Joan Halifax for a while, and every now and then she was like, "Look what I had to put out with."
She's great.
I know, right? I love her.
She's very, very good. Yeah.
When was the last time you met her?
Last time I met her was at a Sakya conference.
Okay, that's
So
a
it
while
was
ago.
a few years ago. But she said something that's really stuck with me. I had mentioned something about having hope in the talk I was giving.
Right.
And she came up to me afterwards and she said, hope is like a fairy tale. Optimism is what we need.
Oh,
And I really thought about that.
what's the difference?
Hope is just, I don't know what's going to happen, so I just kind of hope that something good will happen.
Right.
But I don't know what to do.
Right.
Optimism is a mind of confidence. Yeah.
Which also arises from the ability to suffer pain.
Yeah. So we're not stuck in that.
That's right.
We're optimistic and we're ready to do something.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's action oriented as well.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. And whereas hope is just, I hope, and then you just sit there and hope.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So that, she said that to me, that really stuck in my mind.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're both so wise.
Yeah.